Smile on the outside, yet feel like something's trembling underneath. You function, you perform, you hold it together. But when silence arrives, so does the anxiety. The what ifs, the racing thoughts, the invisible weight. What if today you just pause? What if you gave yourself permission to not hold it all? To soften, to breathe, to be human. Welcome home. This is your space to release. Find a space where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down in a position that feels natural. Let your shoulders fall, let your jaw relax. Place your hands gently in your lap or by your sides. Let your eyes soften, then gently close. Begin to notice the support beneath you. The way the ground holds you, no questions asked. There is nothing to fix in this moment, only to feel. Paying gentle attention to your breath. No need to change it. Just observe. Cool air coming in through your nose, warm air releasing through your mouth. Each breath is a message. I am here. Notice how the body follows the breath, how your chest rises and falls. This is where safety begins, in the now. Now scan your body gently. Notice if there's tightness anywhere. Perhaps in your chest, or stomach, or throat. Don't resist, just observe. Imagine sending breath into those spaces, as if your inhale carries a soft light and your exhale gently melts the tension. Your body has held enough. Let it loosen now. Now, notice the thoughts moving through your mind. They may be fast, repetitive, unpredictable. You don't need to stop them. You only need to witness. Each thought is a wave. You are the ocean. Let the waves come. Let them pass. You are not your thoughts. You are the space they pass through. Now gently ask yourself, who am I? Not the role you play, not the name you were given. Beyond the thoughts, beyond the stories, who remains? Am I the tension? Am I the fear? Or am I the one who sees it all silently? Let the question hover in your awareness. Don't force an answer. Just listen. Now ask, what do I truly want? Not what you were told to want, but what your soul longs for in stillness. Do you crave safety, freedom, lightness? Let any images, sensations, or emotions rise without judgment. Notice what you notice. Ask within, what is my purpose? Why am I here? What makes my spirit feel alive, even in quiet ways? Perhaps your purpose is to be love, to offer presence, to bring peace. Let purpose reveal itself, not through thought, but through feeling. Now bring your full name to mind. Repeat it silently. Once, notice the memories, expectations, and identities attached to that name. And now, let them go. Repeat only your first name. Let that dissolve too. Now, simply repeat I am. No story, no pressure, just being. Let's introduce a mantra now. Aham. Aham means I am. It is not a statement of ego, but of awareness. With every inhale, silently repeat Aham. With every exhale, Aham. Let the sound move effortlessly with your breath. If your mind wanders, gently return to Aham. Soft, steady, grounding. Continue silently repeating Aham. With inhale, Aham. With exhale, Aham. Let the breath and the mantra become one gentle rhythm. Let it guide you deeper, past the noise, into stillness. And if thoughts come, that's okay. Smile inwardly and return to Aham. Now, if you are still repeating the mantra, you can gently let it go. No effort required. Just relax and rest. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to be anything. You are enough. Here, right now, you are safe. You are embraced by life. You are not your thoughts, not your stories, not your past. You are the awareness behind it all. Calm, present, unchanging. This awareness was here long before the fear. It's here now, and it's always available to you. You don't have to search for peace. You are peace. Now slowly bring attention back to your body. Feel the air in the room, the fabric against your skin. Feel the weight of your body supported by the ground. Gently begin to move your fingers, wiggle your toes, rotate your neck softly side to side. Take a slow, deep inhale and exhale with relief. You are returning lighter, freer, more grounded. Allow your eyes to open gently or keep them closed a little longer if you wish. Look around with a soft gaze. Notice the world again, but from a calmer place. Let gratitude wash over you for showing up, for choosing peace, for choosing yourself. Even when anxiety visits again, and it may, you now know the way back home, back to your breath, back to presence, back to you. If this practice brought you comfort, or even